everyone, welcome to Mr. Queen PH, and in today's video we will see what's coming to you in April 2025. As you all know, these are general readings, so it may not resonate with you completely, but if you want to consult with a trusted personal advisor who can give you individualized reading, I highly recommend my sponsor, Psychic Source. Psychic Source is the most trusted psychic service in the industry with over 35 years of experience. They provide intuitive guidance accessible to anyone through their community of professional and gifted advisors. You can connect with them at your most comfortable way through a phone call, video chat, or text. Psychic Source is committed to hope, healing, and empowerment. And if you're not happy with your last paid psychic reading, it's free. That's how confident they are, backing it up with a no-risk guarantee. Even if I'm a tarot reader myself, I still seek guidance to gain clarity from other psychics to see a different perspective because sometimes I can be biased on how I read my own cards. And I'm so satisfied with my recent consultation with Venus. She's an advisor from Psychic Source. She gave me comfort and insights with the project that I'm working with. Now here's the good news. Psychic Source is giving an extra special discount to new customers from my channel. This is the best and highest value promotion in the industry, and other psychic brands don't even close. Just go to trypsychicsource.com/MrQueen and use my code MrQueen to try up to 40 minutes with an advisor for just $19.80. That is up to $240 value. 40 minutes will allow you to talk to multiple advisors, and you don't have to use all the minutes in one session. You can also call the number on the screen to get a reading or scan this QR code to easily access the website. Again, that's trypsychicsource.com/MrQueen or click the link in my description to connect with an advisor anytime, anywhere. Thank you so much, Psychic Source, for this opportunity. And now, let's go to your reading. Okay, Sagittarius, let's see what's coming to you ngayong April 2025. Ayan. Please subscribe to our channel to show your support, like, share this video, at comment na rin kayo kung kayo'y naka-resonate. Alright, let's see what's coming to you, Sagittarius, ngayong April 2025. This is your overall energy, possible challenge, opportunity, your focus, at yung blessing. Bottom of the deck is the Queen of Swords. Maaring mas maingat ka ngayon about sa mga decision mo. Maari ring meron kang ika-cut off na person sa buhay mo that you feel is hindi na in alignment sa iyong mga goals. Ayan. The Star. Someone who is not supportive of you. Pwedeng you are going to cut off connections sa taong yan. Maari ring you are going to protect your dreams, your hopes, your dreams. Hindi mo hahayaan na maapektuhan ka ng doubts ng ibang tao, kasi some people might doubt you sa mga goals mo, pero ang importante is hindi ka nagpapa-apekto sa kanila kasi you know yourself. Mas kilala mo yung sarili mong kakayanan. So your overall energy is the Ten of Pentacles. This is financial security, financial stability. Maganda ang pasok ng kaperahan for you ngayong April. Maari ring meron kayong mga aayusin related sa mga ari-arian ng family ninyo or financial situation ng family ninyo. Your challenge is the Knight of Wands. So, be careful kung kayo ay madalas bumiyahe or mag-travel or mag-drive. So, mas maging maingat, okay? Lalo na kung kayo nagda-drive, mas maging defensive driver. Kasi minsan, 'di ba, nagiging reckless tayo na, okay, sige, bilisan natin ng pagda-drive. But, take extra care. Take extra care or be more careful. Ganon. And then, maari kasing meron dito na meron kang gawin na padalos-dalos na hindi mo siya pinag-isipan at pwedeng mag-create siya ng problema sa'yo. Pwedeng related to sa yung parang idea mo na, uy, gusto ko tong gawin, and then ginawa mo na lang na hindi mo pinag-iisipan, na pwedeng meron kang hindi nakitang potential na problema. Your opportunity is the Hermit. Okay. As an opportunity, mas mag-isolate ka, or meron kang magkakaroon ka ng self-reflection about your life. You have the opportunity to get to know yourself on a deeper level. Yung iba sa inyo, magre-retreat, no? Yung tipong mag-a-attend kayo sa retreat, anything na spiritual activities related to your beliefs. Some of you naman, maaring you will consult with a person na alam mong marami na siyang mga karanasan sa buhay na somehow kapareho or related sa kagustuhan mo na i-pursue sa buhay. Sa example, gusto mong magnegosyo, and you will consult with someone na nanggaling na sa ganyang sitwasyon pagdating sa pagnenegosyo. It's like you want to learn from this person because itong person na to ay marami na siyang experience. Your focus is the Six of Pentacles. Ang focus mo is to have a good flow of income. Maaring ibabalance mo yung financial situation mo, yung income mo, yung lalabas mo rin na pera. Kasi pwede naman tayong maraming kinikita pero walang naiipon kasi kung ano yung kinikita mo, yun din yung lumalabas. 'Di ba? So, I think you want your focus is to have a financial stability and financial security rin, na mas magiging aware ka doon sa cash flow mo. I also see you na going to help someone. Meron ditong maaaring hingi ng tulong sa'yo financially or resources mo. So, you are going to help this person. Your blessing is the Knight of Swords. So, this is about self-expression. I think mas magiging open ka sa nararamdaman mo towards someone. And mas maiintindihan ka ng tao kasi you are more open to what you really feel. Maari ring meron kang aasikasuhin dito ng mabilisan, na hindi mo akalain na matatapos mo siya agad-agad. What is the Ten of Pentacles? Nine of Swords. Something might be bothering you related sa family matters na may kinalaman sa pera, ari-arian. Usually kasi 'di ba, kapag malaki yung family, tapos may kaya sa buhay, maraming properties, pwedeng maging issue or problema yung hatian ng mga properties. Let's see, what is the Knight of Wands? The Four of Wands. This is a celebration, kaya lang nasa challenge mo siya. So, yeah, I think, no, kung meron kang mga events na pupuntahan ngayong April, make sure na nililista mo talaga yon, lalo na kung very busy ka, kasi pwedeng meron kang makalimutan na major event, or hindi mo matansya yung oras tapos malate ka, ganyan. What is the Hermit? The Queen of Wands. I think meron kang plans. I see you planning for like a comeback. Oo, alam mo yung parang example, artista ka, no? Tapos medyo nag-lay low ka, ka muna, step back ka muna para magpahinga or to reassess your situation, pero you are now planning to come back, parang ganon. So, maaring iba sa inyo, nagbakasyon muna, nagpalamig. So, ngayon, you are coming back sa spotlight. And you will, kumbaga, tatanggapin ka ulit ng buong buo. Tatanggapin ka ng mga taong iniwasan mo muna or sitwasyon na iniwan mo muna. So, ano pa rin to? Grand entrance. Grand entrance or grand comeback. What is the Six of Pentacles? The Chariot. So, as your focus, walang makakapigil sa iyong mga plano, no? This is about moving forward, being that person na successful sa nagawa mo, na successful ka sa mga naging plano mo. What is the Knight of Swords? The Four of Swords. Ang isa sa blessing mo is blessing of rest, pahinga. Alam niyo, maraming gustong magpahinga. Dahil maraming pagod. Oo. But I see you na you will be able to have the rest or take the rest that you need. This is also about healing, no? So blessing rin sa'yo, healing. The Fates. Chaos and conflict. I also see you na mas magiging totoo ka sa sarili mo at ipupursu mo yung iyong passion, yung goals mo nang walang pakialam sa sasabihin ng ibang tao. Yan, no? You're going to follow through or you're just going to go with the flow. Kung saan ka dalhin, kung ano yung saan ka dadalhin ng iyong pangarap, ng mga actions na gagawin mo. Kasi you just want to be true to yourself. You're also stepping into a new experience. May bagong experience. Pero alam nyo, Sag, meron ditong something na nakakalungkot. Okay? I think part of this change, meron kasi ditong pagbabago sa'yo na maaring kailangan may taong masaktan or, ma-hurt sa decision mo. Yeah, yung iba sa inyo may new direction na tinatahak. At pwedeng yung bagong direction na yan, hindi yan gusto ng ibang tao na malapit sa'yo. But, rest assured na kung meron mang mawawala sa buhay mo, merong darating na bago. Like, new friends, new connections. Ganun naman talaga sabi nga, friends come and go. 'Di ba? So, that is your reading, Sagittarius. Thank you so much. See you again.